Hello there. In the last video, I showed you how I made this simple room configuration using Unity VFAT Develop and Unity Forma. I didn't really show how I actually configure the environment, such as lighting, some other aspects on the reflection flow, etc. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I actually build the environment. I'm not an expert in this area, but this is what I learned throughout the day when I was using Forma. So please watch and leave a comment if you know I can improve it or not. In here, I have two projects open. One that I can copy value from an existing project. So I'm going to delete the spotlight and plane and delete the main camera too. I'm going to adjust these volume, sky and fog volume components. Just mainly I will just add it, copy and use the value I've got on the other project. So feel free to follow if you don't know how to configure it. So I'm editing the fog distance, and I probably don't need this gradient sky, so I need to remove that. Escape remove. Yes, right. I need to add the exposure to make it brighter, and the value I've got is like 50 something. Yeah, this is something I got. And additionally, I need a HDRI sky, which acts like a background of the window, and also give you like the sky, like the exposure and the lighting from the external environment. And I've got it here, a Q map in here. So after I click on there and I disable or turn on lighting, now I've got a sort of like a city environment out there, and then that's give me lighting in here. Additionally, I think you don't need to follow this, but this is what I'm doing. I'm adding another new processing here. That is because I want to separate from the sky and the volume that I've got, so I can adjust it. Just make it clear. You can always add your carry on and add add it along on the existing one, but this is what I do. So I'm gonna edit the add the ambient occlusion, and this is the value I use in the project. Okay, right, that's looking good. Now I need to start changing the material. So basically I will give it a wooden floor, and of course if you have a wooden floor material assigned on Revit, that will convert into a wooden floor as well, but in here I just do it in here in the editor. So this is the one that I use. It gives you quite good reflection on the floor. I'm just going to edit and change all the walls. And again, if you have already assigned material on Revit, a suitable one, you probably don't need to do that in here, but because I just used the default material in Revit, and now I need to change it in the Unity editor. So yeah, now I need to change the ceiling. That is the material that I use. Assign it that one, and I've got another one too. Yeah, ceiling, that's the one. Okay. Now now I can see that really high reflection on the window frame, so I need to change it into something less reflective. The one that I use is called the plastic white. Sure, I have it here. Yeah, I've got it here. So I need to assign the frame. Yeah, that one. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is, let's have a look at my other project and my screen and my notes. Next one that I need to make is light. Okay, so I going to create a parents object to store all the light, reset it into 000, and first of all I think I need a light model. So what I think I need, I basically use a model from another project that I've got. So conference room and light fixture. Okay, now I've got the model. Now it's under this model here. Let's drag it here. Right, I need to duplicate that, change that into put it there. Oh yeah, I forgot to it's a prefab, so I need to break the prefab completely. So now I've got this fixture, light fixture, and I delete. This is all I need. And now I just need to copy the positions from other projects. And so after that, I need to add a spotlight into the model. So here is, I just use the figure that I use on my notes on from my other project. Just copy across. Change it to high. Okay, now I've got this all set, but then it's all kind of pointing sideways. I need to change the rotation. Oh yes, bring it down first and then change rotation 90. Now it's basically pointing downwards, and I copy several lights across, and now I'm doing a reflection flow. Just give it make the whole environment more kind of effective, reflective. Yeah, so you can see the floor is kind of like giving a better reflection. You might just want it to have it. You can have several reflection flow in the environment, but right now I'm just using one. But if you think one is not enough, you can add more. Okay, just checking the value on my notes and make sure it's okay. So I need to change the XYZ, the position of it. Now it's kind of in the center of the room. Yeah, that's probably it. Yeah, the blur system. Okay, so Oh, that's probably it. Yeah, this is the what it looks like. Move it up a bit and see if that change. Yeah. The thing is, I just want to have the whole area cover up, so maybe just make it so it's cover up all the indoor or the room in here. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing I think I need is a plane reflection. Yeah. So plane reflection, set it and add a plane reflection probe. Change XYZ. And the way that I did it is just I have it just above the floor, so it's reflecting all the furniture. Oh, it's not actually reflecting in the floor. Reflecting stuff that is in the floor, but actually just slightly above the floor, like the furniture. And once I've done that, is the last thing I need to add is the light bulbs. So go on to lighting, light bulbs, create new geometrical light bulb groups, and I will add a light bulb component, and I just need to have it not many, but a few of them to make it looks good, the light. So I need to let's say I need to move it across here, and maybe add one probe there. Sorry, maybe need to select the both and duplicate both. So I have 4 probes in here. Select them all, duplicate them, and move it across. Yeah, and then repeat. Oops. Yeah, undo that and do that again. Just careful not to have multiple light bulbs in this very close to each other. So I'm placing light bulbs scattered all around the room. I'm used it in where they have equal space, but in reality, if you know there's stuff that you want to focus on, have better light reflections or better lighting, so you might place more. But right now I'm just putting like basically equal amounts of space between them. And again, I'm not an expert in this, but this is my way of doing things. Usually to do that, if I need to focus on a specific area, I would add more light bulbs there. But and again, now all the light bulbs are kind of like down a bit, and then to move up, so it's all within the room area. Okay, so that's it. Move it down there. So this is how I actually set up the environment. I have probe processing, volume, reflection probe, plane reflection probe, and light probes. And this is all the thing that I have to make this environment. So thank you for watching. If you have any question or comment, please leave a message down there. Thank you very much. And that's everything. Thank you for watching.